In this video, we will introduce the try and catch block. So, what is the logic behind a try and catch block? Uh, Sometimes we suspect that our code will can raise some runtime errors during its execution. So, if we suspect such code for runtime errors, we put that code the suspect code into an within an try block. So what code we will place into this block? The code which we suspect that it can raise a runtime error, we will put that into within a try block, and we will also write a catch block. Catch block is mandatory with when you write a try block, and you must have to write the catch block immediately after the block. In the catch block, we will give the error message to the user that during the code execution in the try block there was some error in some line, and the catch block will respond with the error message. So let us try to run the project. We said 25 and then we said divisor is 0, and it says that line number 21 is we have written in the cout function, and we have written division by 0. So how the compiler knows that this is an error and it cannot move further in the try block? Let us see the workflow. First of all, the compiler will execute these three lines, and it will take input and dividend. Then the compiler will receive input in the divisor variable. Then the compiler checks the condition if divisor equal to 0, and we have used a statement throw 0. Okay, throw is a keyword. When compiler uh, comes across this statement, comes across this keyword, it what it does is simply shifts control to the catch block. It ignores the remaining statements in the try block and shifts control to the catch block. The remaining statements beneath the throw statement will not be executed. However, if we write some statements after the catch block, like this statements after catch block, these statements will be executed. So let us see what happens. We write 25 and then 0, and it says that division by 0, and our statements after the catch blocks are executed. So now the program is not crashed. We have achieved our main goal. We want that if there is some issue in our suspect code, then it gracefully gives a message and then continue to the remaining statements. So in this way we can control the runtime errors. There is one more thing here, that we have used a data type inside the catch parameters. So we have to throw an integer value that will be used to pass to this data type. Okay.